Hi, today I will show you how to create client satisfaction section using only Elementor. So this section can enhance your trust factor on your website, showcasing your like not testimonial. It's how many projects you done, your happy clients, and if you wanna add testimonial option over here, you can add it over here. But I don't. In my case, I will not do right now. But here you can add your rating, your feedback, visually engaging for actually your from client. So step by step I'll show you how to create this kind of section, and this video will be very short, and from start I will scratch A to Z. Hi, I'm WordPress developer with years of experience crafting a standing website. On my YouTube channel, I will share tons of tutorial tips and tricks. Like if I go to my video section, you will see tons of tips and tricks on making WordPress website journey easier and more successful. I hope some of video can be very helpful for you. If you just please subscribe to YouTube channel and also comment this YouTube video, because of YouTube algorithm will understand this video actually helpful or not. Please comment below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So now let's design this section. In order to do, I will go to my WordPress dashboard and going to click page and click add new. Here I will create a new page, and now I will tell you about Hostinger. So Hostinger, actually if you need hosting for your website, for any client project or own website, choosing a right hosting is a crucial part. So Hostinger offer the reliable, affordable hosting plan actually. So I will the good news is if you grab the Hostinger business plan through my affiliate link, and I will give in the description box, and you will get $7.88 saved. Other plans also have discount. Please check it my description box. So these are the video of my YouTube channel. This is a features video, and you can see my video of Hostinger and his affiliate link. You can just simply go through this link, and you can purchase for your client hosting for or that could be your own hosting domain. You can just use my affiliate link. So let's get started with the videos. Here I will type any name. So that would be, so I type a name and just click publish, and also click publish, and here I just click this edit with Elementor. And now step by step I will show you everything how to create this kind of outstanding design section. All right, once I open this dashboard, or once I open this interface, I will just remove this part, and this is the header and footer part, because in my website I didn't edit or design the header and footer part. I actually make design only using Elementor. So if you are use Elementor Pro, if you actually if you are actually Elementor Pro will provide you the logo. You can add logo and other interface interactive design you can make shine. If you are building a client project, Elementor Pro is a must have the tool. You can purchase it, use my affiliate link in the description box. And if you actually if you don't invest right now, I got a cover about it for practice purpose. You can get Elementor Pro with GPL version from my Buy Me a Coffee. These are the Buy Me a Coffee. You can just click add to cart, and here I will give you the coupon code. The coupon code is CWD2024, and click CW. It will makes a $5 discount. It will get $5 off, making it $5. So later if you miss out this coupon code, you just go to my website w3learner.com and going to the resource option, and here you will get the coupon code of any of my others plan. Just simply just copy and paste it over here. If sometime if I publish a discount code. All right, so here I will do just click this gear icon and please layout option, and I will keep it full width canvas. But in your case you will just use Elementor full width, because when you use Elementor Pro and if you done the header footer, and you can keep it full width. I will keep it canvas option, and it will keep a full fresh blank page. And now here I will design step by step all the stuffs. First here what you're gonna do, just click this plus icon and click add new structure, and this structure will be full width, and I will keep it full width. And here I will take the another container option. These are the container option, and in this container will be the main parent container, and this parent container I will keep it also full width, And now I will add another container as a child, and this container I will duplicate it, and also this one the duplicate, and click this container. This is the parent container. I will click it, and going to this direction option will be horizontal, and it will be showing the horizontal shape. And right now what you're gonna do, I will just this container, this is a parent container, I will parent container keep it as a box. Okay, now it's looks perfect. And first I will upload a background image of this parent container. Just click this parent container and go into style, and here I will upload the image from my local disk. So these are the image, and save it. So I will keep it this one, and now I will add a background overlay over here. I will keep it actually the black, and opacity I will decrease it. All right, 5.50 is done. And first row I will do a title, and also I will add this text editor, and here I will add image, and here I will add some more stuff later. First I will editing over here. So here first I will copy the text. These are the text, and content would be same like this, but I didn't change content for right now. I'm going to just changing the style, just going to style option, and text color would be white, and this text would be also white. If you want to change the font family, you can just do it from here. These are the accent text or other stuff. I will keep it this one. This may be Poppins. It's not showing Poppins, but I will set it as a hardcore Poppins, POPP. Okay, all right, it's already been Poppins as far as I know. And now here actually I will clicking this first child. This is the child, like it's a parent. This is a child, first child, and this first child I will keep it just justify centered option, and it will be centered of position. And now I will upload an image, choosing the file from my local disk, and these are the file I removed the image from background. Actually these are actually the image that represent actually any serviceman, any of constructor construction labor. You can download from Google, and just click save change. I just remove the background of this image, and now I will do what I do, just clicking this container option, first container. These are container, the first container, and going to advanced. Here I will put some padding for top or bottom, and these are the 100 pixel, and this bottom will be 100 pixel. I will keep it this one, and now I will work with this this image section. And in this image, this image actually size is very larger, that's why I'll crop from WordPress media. Just clicking this one and click image, it will go to the edit image, and from here I will edit the image. I will remove that left and right side extra space. I click add crop, apply and save, edit, and select the image. Once it publish, it's been larger. Okay, now I will do the another step, but I will work with this step. Just click edit with this plus icon, and I will add a grid option. And in this grid I will add more stuff like actually the counter. I will drag and drop it over here, and here from this grid I will add two grid and 2 row. These are the this will be the structure. And in this structure, in this actually widget, I will change the color. That color should be the number is would be okay. I will keep going to the number, pasting the color code, and also change this color. This color would be this one, and this cool number, that's actually the another text, and I will change it later, but that would be the title color would be white, and it's right now not showing. What's the error? Is the cool number, that would be PRO project. So I will set it as a project name, and going to style option for number, And typography, I will decrease the size of this number. 50 is done. Now let's copy this one and just paste it over here, also paste it over here, and also paste it over here. You can change the value of this one. Okay, I will change all the stuffs. I will just clicking this third child option, third child container, and in this third child container I will do similar stuff. Like before I work the this for this container, I'm just clicking this justify center position with center, and almost design is done. Now I work with this image. The image goes to it actually show actually end of this before end of this section. Just going to advanced option and click uncheck link value together and put some negative value. It will up to this section. Perfect. And these are actually 130, and you will just put some, also add more extra extra margin for bottom. It will be 10 pixel, not negative value. It would be 20 pixels would be negative value. Okay, so these are the done for the these are done for desktop mode. So we have already designed this satisfaction section. Congratulations. Just click publish. And if I click this mobile, actually these are the tablet option, and here what you're gonna do, just decrease the this size of this icon, and I will decrease it. It would be 25, and this project text would be very small, that is actually 50. Okay, now I will keep what I'm going to do, just copy and paste style, also paste style, all are done, but some of text is very larger, and also here I will decrease this text. Done. And what I will do, just clicking this container option and going to advanced, and here I will padding will be 0. Done, but it's showing some error of this position of actually the title clients. I will just simplify this the text and project. Okay, all are done. Now I will just click this image option and advanced option. I will keep it actually 0, and from here I will do it a scratch. First I will increase the image size, and its image size is gonna be 100 pixel, and now I will put some negative value. Okay, and now again I will put some negative value of bottom, 20 pixel, actually done. So yeah, here you are for mobile design, for tablet design. Now what you're gonna do, just click save, and again click this mobile version. In this mobile version we don't actually want to show this image, so in order to do, I will hide the image and click this advanced option and just go through the responsive mode and click hide for portrait. In mobile version it will not show, but I will work with this section. Just click this grid option and going to layout, and in this layout I will show the column would be 2 column and row would be 2. This is a 4 column structure, and if I see the preview, yeah, these are the design. And if I click this one, this section, you can put some negative value, and it will go to the upper. It will set it 50, and in this mobile I will set it the centered position. The clicking this pen icon and keep it aligned centered, and also this text going to be centered. Done. And if I could see the preview, these are the design of this phone version. So if you are short time on need ready to use this template for client website, I have include a download link in the description box. Save your hours and get the job done quicker. So this video is done. If you found this video actually very helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tutorial and tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.